Use of do and don't. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Do you drink alcohol? No, I don't. Do you read book? Yes, I do. Do you fly in the sky? No, I don't. Do you read the books? Yes, I do. Do you jump higher? No, I don't. Do you drink tea? Yes, I do. Do you go to ground? Yes, I go. Do you make food? Yes, I do. Do you eat ice cream? No, I don't. Do you open the door? Yes, I do. Thank you for watching my videos. For more, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.